Hello students, in my last two videos I have explained you the chapter Footprints Without Feet, and in my last video I told you that how Griffin does some works which are just lawless. Okay, and now as I told you he went to Iping village and there he stayed with Mrs. Hall. Okay, she was the landlady, and then after some time his robbed money was finished, and then he admitted that he is not having money, and said this also that after some time he will get a check. Okay, as you know, he was not having money. Suddenly, just after this episode that he admitted he is not having money, one curious episode occurred. Means one curious things happened in IP. What happened? Very early in the morning, a clergyman and his wife were awakened by noises in the study. Okay, clergyman is a man who looks after church. We can say the priest of the church. So he and his wife heard some noises in the morning, and then when they heard that there is someone in their study, very slowly they came downstairs. They heard the chink of the money being taken from the clergyman's desk. While they coming downstairs, they saw that someone is they not saw they heard. Okay, they heard the noises of the money which was being taken from the desk. Okay, they had kept some money in desk, and someone was taking the money out of that desk. As you know, coins make noises. Okay, so coins were kept in that desk, and they were listening the sound of the noise of the coins as someone is taking these coins out of the desk. Without making any noise and a poker grasped firmly in his hand, the clergyman flung open the door. Okay, now the clergyman, he came very slowly without any noise. He was having one stick in his hand, and he widely opened the door and said, "Surrender," means whoever is there, come out. Then, to his amazement, he realized that the room appeared to be empty. Okay, he was surprised to see, okay, he was quite surprised to know that the room was empty. There was no one in the room. And he and his wife looked under the decks, behind the curtains, and even up the chimney. Okay, they searched everywhere, but they could not find the man. There was not a sign of anybody. Yet the desk had been opened and the housekeeping money was missing. Okay, the desk was opened and the money was missing, but they could not find anyone in the study room. And the clergyman and his wife kept saying whole of the day, extraordinary affair, बड़ी अजीब बात है. Means there was no one, still the money was missing, and it was an extraordinary incident for them. But it was not as extraordinary as the behavior of Mrs. Hall's furniture a little later that morning. Okay, but it was not so extraordinary as what happened with Mrs. Hall's furniture a little later that morning. Okay, the same morning something happened in Mrs. Hall's room also. Okay, where the scientist was living. The incident was such an extraordinary. Now, the landlord and his wife were up very early. Okay, on that day, the landlord and his wife, they got up early in the morning, and they were quite surprised to see that the scientist door was wide open. Okay, the door of the scientist room was wide open, and most of the time it was shut and locked. Okay, he never opened his door, and he was furious if anyone entered his room. Suppose someone enters his room, he used to become angry. The opportunity seemed too good to be missed. When the landlord and his wife saw that the room is opened, they did not want to miss the opportunity. Okay, and they peeped in. They peeped around the door, saw nobody, and decided to investigate. And when they looked inside, here and there in the room, there was no one, and they decided that they would investigate. And now they got entered. The bed clothes were cold, showing that the scientist must have been up for some time. ओके, जो बिस्तर थे बेटे ठंडे थे, जिससे ये पता लग रहा था कि साइंटिस्ट काफ़ी देर पहले ही जाग चुका था. एंड स्ट्रेंज एनफ द क्लोथ्स, बैंडेजेस एंड दैट ही ऑलवेज वोर वर लाइंग एट द रूम. और जो सारी चीज़ें वो पहनता था, बैंडेजेस, विस्कर्स, फॉल्स नोज, everything was lying about in the room. All of a sudden, Mrs. Hall heard a sniff close to her ear. Okay, while they were doing this work, suddenly Mrs. Hall heard some sniff close to her. किसी के चीखने की बेटे उन्होंने आवाज़ सुनी अपने कान के पास. A moment later, the hat on the bedpost leapt up and dashed itself into her face. उसके बाद क्या होता है, जो हैट है वो अपने आप उठा और सीधा उनके फेस पर उसने अटैक किया, हैट ने. As you can understand what happened, the invisible scientist had come there and he was attacking on both of them. But they didn't know. Okay, उनको नहीं पता था what is happening. They were surprised. They were shocked to see this incident. Then the bedroom chair became alive. The chair also sprang into the air and it attacked straight at Mrs. Hall, legs foremost. As she and her husband turned away in terror, the extraordinary chair pushed them both out of the room. And they were so horrified, both of them, that they turned back to come downstairs, and that extraordinary chair pushed them out of the room. And after that, they heard that someone has slammed and locked the door after them. किसी ने जोर से दरवाज़ा बंद किया है and lock किया है. As you know, they didn't know that the scientist can become invisible. This was an extraordinary incident for them. Mrs. Hall almost fell down the stairs in hysterics. She was so nervous कि पागलों की तरह से दौड़ रही थी और लगभग वो गिरने वाली थी सीढ़ियों से. She was convinced that the room was haunted by spirits. Okay, now she was convinced, she had decided, she has confirmed that there are ghosts and spirits in his room, in their room, and that the stranger had somehow caused them to enter into her furniture. And she thought that ये जो स्ट्रेंजर मैन है, साइंटिस्ट है, इसने जो गोस्ट और स्पिरिट्स को उनके रूम में, उनके फर्नीचर में एंटर करा.